guys, respected faculty, research scholars, and my dear student friends. Once again, warm evening to all present here. Marudi Molalunda, like I will wind it up. In fact, I'm born and brought up in a small village called Adhiyaman. So typically, I'm a person who believe in character. So character is destiny. So that's why I have brought this to this forum. And I know I couldn't justify my role, but still I'm so happy that I have met you.
As I promised to your faculty members, certificates were not written for all of you, but will be given. Now, for the sake of photograph, you can come in room and get your certificate and kindly hand over the same to us. After completing the writing as well as getting signature from the authorities, we will hand over the certificates to your faculty members, which will reach you in a couple of days or by next week. Okay?
Today I had attended a workshop in PUCPGRS extension Dharmapuri. In that workshop, by sharing a lot of views about the professors who had having 30 years of experience, I learned a lot of things about literature and how the point of view we have to look at the literature. And they had shared their experience. It's very useful for me to learn about literature. I'm very thankful to be present here.
Hi, I am Kamartaj. I am from Sri Vidya Mandir Arts and Science College, Bhutangarai. Today we had attended a one-day national level workshop in Periyar University PG Center in Dharmapuri. Here I had learned about lot of things, and the scholars and professors shared their experience and knowledge. I think it's somewhat useful to us. Thank you.
I am N. Madhumita, studying 2nd MA English from Periyar University Center for PG and Research Studies, Dharmapuri. Today, department conducted one-day lecture workshop on bridging worlds, literature and life. There were resource persons were Dr. S. Bhupati, Periyar University, Salem, and Professor P. Kannan, Akkamadevi Women's University, Karnataka. Participants from several colleges were participated. Government Arts College, Dharmapuri, Sri Vijay Vidyalaya College of Arts and Science for Women, Dharmapuri, Government Arts College, Metur, Government Arts College, Eriyur, Sri Adhiyamanv